have a wonderful song from Jessie Murph. It's called Wildflowers and Wine. All right, fits guitar very well. Speaking of guitar, I choose this one from Anchor Guitars because it has this red wine color to it. Not only because that, it's a great guitar as well. But yes, if you want to have a guitar like this, you can use my coupon code GoranGuitar10 and you can get 10% off a very affordable guitar and even 10% better. So yes, go and grab one. And now let's go and grab a capo, put that on the first fret if you have one, and then we need to learn a couple of chords. We have 4 different chords for a song, so let's start with D. D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have G next. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have the A. And that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And finally we have the E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we have one chord progression that goes in the same with our entire song, and with that we're going to learn the strumming pattern. So let's learn the strumming first. If we grab the first chord, D, we have one round that goes. Okay, so it's down first, and then down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You can also sometimes play just down, up, down, up. So skip that second down. And this song is played a lot with feel, so sometimes you can play that full down, up, or just up, down, up. So the second version was down, up, down, up, down. It up, so all right, so that gives some life to the strumming. Now let's go into this chord progression here. So we're gonna start with D. And you're gonna play 3 or 4 rounds. I'm gonna show you 2 different versions of this one, and the same is gonna go with the A and the E minor later on. So we're gonna go into the D3 version first, okay? So that is to play D3 rounds. And then you go into G, play just one down. And then you go back to D and play just one down, and that's it. Okay? Or you're gonna play D 4 strumming rounds, just that, D straight 4 rounds. So I'm gonna give you 2 versions here. First the 3 version and then the 4 version. Okay? So the 3 version goes like this. Or just 4 strumming rounds. You will know how that sounds right now. That is the D part. Then we're gonna go into A, and again we have 2 different ways of playing this. We have either the A3 plus some extra notes added to it, or the A4, simply A4, nothing more. So A3 goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play A3 3 times. And then you're gonna play the 3 notes, open A, 3rd fret E string, and 2nd fret E string. It goes as a bridge, a transition melody to the next chord. Or just simply play A 4 strumming rounds. Then that A takes us to the E minor part. And again, the E minor has 2 versions here. You're gonna play 3 strumming rounds or 4 strumming rounds. The 3 strumming rounds goes like this: E minor 3. Then you kick another down on E minor. and then you play the 2nd fret E string, just that single note, and that's it. So E minor 3, or just E minor 4 string rounds and skip all the extras. And then finally we have the G. You're gonna play 4 straight rounds. No second version, just G for. And that ends 1 round. So I'm gonna give it to you now. You have the D3 plus the GD, and then A3 plus the extra notes, and E minor plus the down on E minor and F sharp note, and then G4. That is the round I'm gonna give you. It goes like this. Guys, beautiful song from Jessie Murph and her special voice, very pitchy and odd different. I love that. So anyway, Wildflowers and Wine, a good combination. Hope you enjoyed this, guys, and if you did, support me here. Be back for next upload. Until then, play tuned.